unlock a new level of client service by enabling them to seamlessly automate your specialized offerings by connecting with thousands of other applications. Today, we're diving into creating a custom Zapier app for your clients, a game changer for client satisfaction and retention. First, let's understand the core of any Zapier app. Triggers and actions. Triggers are events that start a zap, while actions are what your app does in response. Begin by collaborating closely with your client. Identify the specific tasks within your service that they'd love to automate. What actions do they frequently perform that could be initiated by another app? Next, map out your app's capabilities. Define the key triggers. For instance, when a new project is assigned in your service, or when a client approves a design, then determine the corresponding actions, like updating a CRM record or sending a notification. Now, let's get technical without getting lost in code. You'll need your client service to have an API, a way for different software to talk to each other. You'll then follow Zapier's developer guides to connect your service's API to the Zapier platform. This involves setting up your app within the Zapier developer portal. You'll define the app's name, logo, and crucially, configure the authentication methods so clients can securely connect their accounts. For each trigger you've defined, you'll specify how Zapier should request data from your service. Think of it as telling Zapier exactly where to find the information that signals an event. Similarly, for actions, you'll configure how your app receives and processes data from Zapier. This means defining the parameters your app needs to perform its task, such as a project ID or a status update. Once built and tested, your custom Zapier app becomes available to your client. They can then easily search for your service within Zapier and build Zaps, connecting your offerings to thousands of other applications to create powerful, automated workflows. This empowers your clients, streamlines their operations, dramatically increases their satisfaction, and fosters long-term customer loyalty.